magambo make ni company yitwa Ubukwe Coffee. Dukora mu bakwe, dukora mu birori bitandukanye. Ahantu hose dukenewe no mu anniversaire. Wanabonye n'abashitsi mu rugo. Badutumira tukaza tukaguha ibyishimo. Mbese ahantu hose hashoboka. Ku service ijyanye n'ibintu byo kunywa, bishyushye, icyayi, coffee. Turabikora byose.
Ngo arashaka kofi irimo amajyane.
Iyo bayita amajyane
None harumbwiye ngo arashaka ngo icyayi kitarimo amajyane. Unyumvira nawe umushaka icyayi kitarimo amajyane ngo kimwe.
Hi guys, how are you doing? This is JD family. Yes. Uko mubibona twambariye akazi. This is the t-shirt of Ubukwe Coffee. Tugiye mu bukwe gukora coffee. So tujya tugira your service as a family. Yeah, so I will take you with me murebe services zacu. Muzadushake. Mujye mutubukinga amakwe yose abantu bose mufite umukwe, please take us with you. Tujye dukora coffee as a family, as a couple. Natwe ko tugiye gukora coffee mu bukwe ahantu bita kwituze garden. Na hano heza cyane habera amakwe. So Ubukwe Coffee tugiye kubakorera coffee mu bukwe. So without coffee in your wedding, you are missing out. So make sure you bring your people with us and make sure you book us. Yeah, thank you very much. So come with me, I'll take you with me. Papa Liam is already there, but as you know, ladies, we are late. So thank you very much. Hi guys, this is JD family.
JD family twaje muri ubukwe.
Hano twaje mu bukwe bwiza cyane. Umva buryoshye, no bukwe bw'Imana. Ubundi ubukwe bisobanura love. Kandi twebwe dushyikira love, urukundo, marriage, kuko Imana niyo ibikora. Kandi Imana n'urukundo. Rero hano ndi kumwe n'umuntu mwiza cyane mukunda cyane, niko mpora mbibabwira. Si mukunda?
Ari kumwe na Fire.
Na Fire. Niyo mudukunda mukore subscribe, share na like. Tubwire washa gukora iki?
Inshuti za JD family kugira ngo murayibona, brand murayibona. Ubukwe Coffee. Ubukwe Coffee rero turangwa n'ibyishimo. Ubu ngubu mubona ndimo ndasetinga ibintu gake gake.
Wow.
Gutanga ibyishimo.
Oh wow.
Ubumwe bivuga unity.
Unity.
Rero iyo ndi kumwe nawe rero tuba twabaye ubumwe. Hanyuma tumaze kuba ubumwe dutanga ibyishimo. Dutanga coffee. Ubukwe Coffee. Ubukwe Coffee yahageze ikirori kita kibafanya kuri turajwe mu kanya. So nitwa MD nkabandi Barista nkabandi Papa Liam, Papa Rari, nkabandi
my husband.
kumwe na Mutima.
Yes.
Twaje mu kazi twese nkora coffee agapfundikira.
Can you imagine guys?
Ibintu byose turafatanya.
So abantu bashaka kudubukinga mutubukinge as a couple bituma ibirori bisa neza kwa ko couple niyo yakoze mu bukwe n'abazimu baba hanze.
Magambo make ni company yitwa Ubukwe Coffee. Dukora mu bakwe, dukora mu birori bitandukanye. Ahantu hose dukenewe no mu anniversaire. Wanabonye n'abashitsi mu rugo. Badutumira tukaza tukaguha ibyishimo. Mbese ahantu hose hashoboka. Ku service ijyanye n'ibintu byo kunywa, bishyushye, icyayi, coffee. Turabikora byose.
Wow. So, thank you very much. Mukomeze mu following turakwereka ukuntu turi gutanga coffee mu bukwe. Mukomeze mu following ariko mutu booking ni 0787878865 ibyishimo murakoze cyane
ahantu turi bahita mu ituze garden.
Oh yeah, ituze garden.
Tubamamariza nabo. Ahantu haba tente nziza kandi turakorana cyane. Turakorana cyane hano dukunda kuhaza.
Ni Masaka.
Ni Masaka. Abantu b'Masaka natwe. Wowe utuye Masaka. Wabuze ibyishimo dufite coffee.
Kandi ni makeya twebwe tushyiramo imiyaga kubera ko tuba turi kubasapotinga ni n'intwererano ni discount tuba turi kubaha.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you very much. Come with us. 1, 2, 3, go.
Cappuccino ngo ikomeze muri ikomeye. Nawe no muri cyane.
Itarimo isukari. Itarimo isukari.
Irimo jewe irimo high protein. FI.
Turabamuharije mubagane FI muri kuri Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
N'icyayi baguhereza. Muri ya kofi yawe.
Kofi imeze neza.
Barista barabishyiramo bageze kure bafata yifatiye abageni nako yifatiye abaje gusaba abo se tubabwira rero gufata FI nawe mfata
Chirangi ya kabiri.
Fate hangu.
Chiri ya kabiri.
Bye, thank you for watching. Mwakoze kubana natwe.